Let's be honest. Talking about money can feel uncomfortable. But here's the truth. You don't get what you deserve. You get what you negotiate. And your first raise isn't just about a paycheck. It's about valuing yourself. It's about taking that next step in your growth. But how do you actually do it without fear, awkwardness, or burning bridges? Here's how. Step 1. Know your worth. Don't walk in with hope. Walk in with facts. Research the average salary for your role in your city, your industry, your level of experience. Know the numbers because confidence grows from clarity. Step 2. Build your case. You're not asking for a favor. You're presenting proof of value. Write down your contributions. What problems have you solved? What results have you created? Numbers talk. Show how you've made a difference. Step 3. Pick the right moment. Timing matters. Schedule the conversation after a big achievement, a completed project, or during a performance review. You want the momentum on your side. Step 4. Speak with confidence, not apology. No, I was just wondering. Know if it's okay with you. Stand tall. Make it clear. I believe my contributions have created strong results for the company. And I'd like to discuss a salary adjustment that reflects that. Step 5. Be ready to negotiate, not plead. If they say no now, ask, what would it take to get there? This shows maturity, strategy, and ambition. Even a not yet can turn into a yes if you handle it right. Remember, this isn't about arrogance. It's about self-respect. You're not asking to be paid more for existing. You're asking to be paid fairly for the value you bring. So take a breath, do your homework, speak with strength, and step into that room knowing you've earned this. If you don't speak up for your value, no one else will.